Day 9 from 0 to WordPress Hero End of the Year Challenge. And today I'll be talking about how you can upload a logo to your WordPress website. Today we talked about how you can add a new page as a menu to your website. But today we'll be talking about how you can add a logo to your WordPress website. So without much talk, let's get on to business. So the first thing you need to do is to, once you log into your dashboard, log into my dashboard. So all you have to do is come to visit site and then to customize. Click on customize and give it a minute to load up. Okay, so once the loading is done, all you have to do is come to site identity and then click on site title and logo settings. So this site icon, I talked about site icon I think in my second video or third video. This is what site icon means. This logo for Canva. This is the logo for Canva. So that is the icon for the website, and this is an icon for CapCut. This is an icon for Remover BG. This is an icon for the sortparlor.com. It's a website I created. So that is what icon means. That is what a site icon means. So I talked about how we can upload it in my previous video. If you haven't seen it, please go and check it out. So what we'll be doing today is site logo. So you have to click on the site title and site logo and then come here, select logo. You need to make sure that you have already removed the background of your logo so that you won't have any issue. So this is the logo without the background remover, but this is the one I already removed the background. So open it and let it load up, then click on select. So it will ask you to crop it out. So just like crop it a little bit, not too big, not too small. Just put it in the middle and then you are good to go. So as you can see, the logo has changed. So this logo is too big. I can decide to reduce the logo size from here. So as you can see now, I've already reduced the size of the logo, and if you want to increase it, you can also increase it. If you want to reduce it, you can reduce it. So for the retinal logo, this means that there is different screen type. So if this logo does not work for a particular screen type, that means the retinal logo will work for it. So that is why you always have to also upload a retinal logo. It's the same logo, you just have to upload like twice and you are good to go. So that is how to upload a logo, and the major thing you have to do is just like increase the size or decrease the size until it is perfectly fitted. And as you can see now, this is perfectly fitted, aligned with the menu of the site. So like this now, I'm good to go. And also I talked about site title in my previous video. If you haven't seen the video, please check it out so you understand what these things means. Thank you. This will be the end of the video. If you have any topic you want me to talk about, please drop it at the comment section. And if you also like the video, please don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.